Hey, Dustin Head might have won. He's my brother, but he's never beat me head on. He's got a 76 Chevy Caprice right there. Ladies and gentlemen, he's brought to you by Terry's Pawn and Bargain Deluxe Motorworks. I am talking about the one, the only, Kelly Hinnon. Whoa, man. We got some heavy hitters out here, there's no doubt about it. Have a look over here as we welcome here this great looking car. Man, oh man. Pulling up there, 636. That is Jay Smith out of Mooseman First Nations. 31-year-old has a 75 Chrysler New Yorker. He says it's a 360 small block, but it's a second derby for this car, so it's broken in here. It's his first time here in Saskatoon, but 17 years he's been demo driving. Brought to us by Meadow Lake Concrete, Sask Valley Oilfield, D&D Roofing, Western Alliance Tubular, and Scott Swiftmove, who was a last-minute sponsor, just sent some money. Gotta like a guy like that. Give it up here loud and proud for 636, Jay Smith. Oh, look out! This guy's name is Hunter, but I do believe he is the hunted. Number 78 pulls out here as the defending champion from last week. 19 years old in his second season out of Hepburn. He's got that 75 Chevy Impala. I want to point out that in 2018 and 2019, Jolton Joey Peters ended up running that car, and he's out here to try and do it here as well. I want to also point out that we've got Cole McClagan, number 42 in the stock system. He's a 16-year-old man with Joey Peters. He's been here in the pits of the Peters team, fighting cancer just like Joey is. And Joey beat it 20 years ago, and he figured the two of them will do it together. The sponsors go to guys at Steel Rose Salvage. He's the defending champion from last week, number 78, Hunter Schrader. Dakota Lang is sitting right here on the edge right now with what's left of the car from last week. The guy out of South Current had an 85 Front Grand Marquis at one time. But he says it's ready to go here, no doubt about it. 6 years they've been out here racing under the Underdog Demo Crew banner. By the way, inside of that car, he's got an 8-ball on the 6-shifter. And by the way, his girlfriend wrote "Send It" right underneath there. He's brought to us by Low Cost Towing, J&J Roadside, BT Moving, and Joe Dirt Oilfield. I am talking about 10-4 Dakota Lang. Oh my, you gotta love a car who's a heritage car. I'm not talking about the car, I'm talking about the name. I mean, the name of this car is Miss Franken Beast. Gotta tell you something about that 76 Chrysler Newport, huh? That is number 52, Jason Armand, is a 28-year-old star. He says he's 29 on Tuesday, being a nice birthday gift to win here today. Brought to us by CJ Cars and Auto, True Blue Glass, YXE Limo, Quick Sign, Fletcher Wave Pub. Will you give it up here for number 52, Jason Armandi? We got 5 big bad cars ready to go. Are you ready to go? I said, are you ready to go? I can't hear y'all. Are you ready? Well, then help me get things started here as loud as you can. From 5 to 1. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 4. Let me hear you. I can't hear you. 1. Let's get it on. Horn sound now as they come across here. Sometimes it's considered to be a tight costume. Sportsmanship. Land doesn't hold off for a second as he hammers Kelly Hinnon, almost turns him over. Jay Smith, first time here now. Kudos DJ Services making it all happen right there. Armandi here got the big pipes up the front side now. He takes a hard shot. Gets two cars in one, but he's hung up. Schrader trying to find his way out of here now. Held back there by Jay Smith. The guy in the middle right here in the gray machine. with the go-to guy sign up there is the one who they're looking for. He's got to make that hit every 30 seconds. Only 2 go on. Big meeting of the line right here in the front of the stage. Schrader trying to pull himself out of there. Oh, what a shot there from Hedden. Kelly Hedden doesn't even slow down here. The big Chevy Capri. Look at this. All right, into it there now. Lance trying to get a little traction here on this slippery surface, this watered down pavement. Hey, man. When you can hit the guy 30K right here on the pavement, this is what it's all about. Lance giving it up here as well as spinning, making a lot of noise. I gotta make those hits. Edging through the middle there, always dangerous. And he gives a little love tap to the block and straightens out a 5,000-pound cement block and a hard shot right there to Ormonde. Off the bumper right off the front. Ormonde's still moving right here. All the flags still up. Cars still moving. It's like a chess game of motorsports entertainment. Piled up here right now. Hold on. Flag her up. Flag is up. Holds her up. All stop. All stop. All stop. Got to get some shrapnel off of their life. These officials taking their lives in their hands. Looking here now as they get it all ripped up and ready to go. Pieces of the cars flying around out here. I talked about debris. And now hung up on the backside of Ormonde. Oh, but Hunter Schrader gives a little smack right there to me. And here looking to try and pick up a win here tonight. He has been a fixture at the Crash and Bash along with his brother Dustin, who we'll see in a heat later on. Hunter Schrader out here, still moving hard. Doesn't look like Smith can't get things going. Trying to get things started. Flag still up. Legitimate hit right there. Smart bit of driving here from Hunter Schrader. He gets that 30-second hit underneath there. Lang not having too much trouble with him. He's going here now. I don't think there's a lot of steering left there. Look out! Schrader! Country hit right there on Ormonde. Here, his head gets squeezed between them. Schrader out here looking like he wants to dominate. Remember, it's the funny, I talked to Dakota Lang, number 10-4. I said, man, it sounded like you were running a small machine. He said, I was really running on 6 cylinders, but I'm running on 8 tonight. He's making sure you can hear them all. Schrader right there. Look out, get right behind him now. Oh, Schrader in a dangerous position. Exposure here on the rear side. But he is in a Jolton Joey Peters built car, and that's got to count for something. And here, another guy that goes over the window. Oh, what a shot! What a shot right there! Martin Rubber flying off of Lang's car. All the sticks still up here. We got Demolition Derby at its best going on here right now. And Schrader again. Oh, takes the wheel right off of Kelly Hedden's car. That is a crippling blow. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. We have a bit of debris out here. Man, what a hit from Hunter Schrader on Kelly Hedden. He took the wheel off the backside. Now let me ask you again, how many fans of Demolition Derby are in the house? Guaranteed destruction here right now. As they call it off here, and it looks to me like the officials have said who is going on, and I don't think the number 17, Kelly Hedden, will be one of them. Coming out of there right now, like our two guys are going to be going on here right now. We'll bring you the official results in just a moment. But ladies and gentlemen, let me hear some noise for Demolition Derby. While we clean up the destruction and bring you the results, who better to help us go down that highway than these guys right here, including 69-year-old Bob right here. Bob, I want you to know, someday I'll get there.